Beard is a man who knows how to put his own spin on a tradition. He grew up working alongside his father, a self-made businessman who owned both a car shop and a small restaurant in Detroit. And although he enjoyed working on cars, he was always drawn to the kitchen. He says he traded one grease for another. In 2006, when a popular local barbecue joint closed, Greg got the opportunity to open his own restaurant. He called it Chef Greg's Soul in the Wall. Soon after, customers started showing up asking for the Boogaloo Sandwich, a favorite on the previous restaurant's menu. So he set to work developing his own version. He named his creation the Boogaloo Wonderland Sandwich in honor of his friend, Grammy Award-winning songwriter and Detroit native Allie Willis, who wrote the song Boogie Wonderland for Earth, Wind & Fire in 1979.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.